The art of Kokedama, creating Japanese moss balls. Welcome to Plant Care, where we explore the beauty and art of plant care techniques from around the world. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of Kokedama, a Japanese moss ball art form that brings nature indoors in a unique and creative way. Join us as we guide you through the process of creating your very own Kokedama moss ball, share tips on plant selection, and reveal the secrets to caring for and displaying these stunning creations in your home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to add a touch of tranquility and elegance to your living space. Subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips and tutorials, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to learn more about the art of Kokedama. Step-by-step guide to assembling a stunning Kokedama moss ball. When creating a stunning Kokedama moss ball, the first step is to gather all the necessary materials: a small plant of your choice, soil mix, sheet moss, and string. It is essential to pick a plant that thrives in a compact root structure, such as ferns, pothos, or ivy. The soil mix should consist of a blend of peat moss and bonsai soil to provide adequate nutrients and moisture retention for the plant. The sheet moss will serve as a natural covering to hold the soil in place and maintain moisture levels. The string will be used to secure the moss ball and give it its distinctive hanging appearance. Once you have assembled all the materials, the next step is to prepare the plant for the Kokedama creation. Carefully remove the plant from its current pot and gently shake off excess soil to expose the roots. It is crucial to handle the roots with care to avoid damaging the plant. Once the roots are exposed, carefully wrap them in the soil mix, ensuring they are securely covered. Then, wrap the roots and soil with the sheet moss and use the string to tie it all together, shaping it into a ball. As you finish tying the string around the moss ball, be sure to leave a length of string that can be used to hang the Kokedama. Once the ball is securely tied, mist it with water to provide moisture for the plant. Hang the Kokedama in a well-lit area, but away from direct sunlight, as this can dry out the moss ball too quickly. Remember to regularly mist the Kokedama and check the moisture level by gently pressing on the moss. If it feels dry, it's time to water. With proper care and attention, your Kokedama moss ball will become a beautiful addition to your indoor garden, bringing a touch of Japanese artistry into your home. Discover the history and cultural significance behind the exquisite art of Kokedama. Kokedama, originating in Japan, translates to moss ball in English, embodying centuries of Japanese botanical tradition. The art form traces its roots back to the Edo period, where it first emerged as a technique to display plants without the need for pots. This innovative approach reflected the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, embracing imperfections and simplicity, which is deeply embedded in their culture. The practice of Kokedama also draws inspiration from kusamono, which involves displaying potted plants to complement bonsai trees in traditional Japanese gardens. Throughout history, Kokedama has been more than just a botanical art form. It has symbolized harmony and balance between nature and human life. The organic and minimalist aesthetic of Kokedama embodies the principles of mindfulness and tranquility, creating a sense of inner peace and connection with nature. In Japanese culture, the art of Kokedama is considered a meditative practice that fosters appreciation for the beauty of simplicity and impermanence. The cultural significance of Kokedama extends beyond its aesthetic appeal, as it also reflects the Japanese value of sustainability and respect for the environment. By utilizing natural materials such as moss, soil, and plants, Kokedama encourages a more eco-friendly approach to gardening, promoting a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness between humans and nature. This traditional art form continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide, serving as a testament to the enduring legacy of Japanese craftsmanship and reverence for the natural world. Learn tips and tricks for selecting the perfect plants for your own Kokedama creation. When selecting plants for your Kokedama creation, it's essential to consider both aesthetic appeal and practicality. Opt for plants that thrive in a moist environment, as the moss ball retains water and requires a humidity-loving species. Popular choices include ferns, ivies, and succulents that can adapt well to the unique growing conditions of Kokedama. Ferns, with their lush foliage and graceful fronds, bring a touch of elegance to the moss ball while thriving in the humid environment created by the moss. Another factor to consider when choosing plants for Kokedama is the size of the root system. Select plants with compact and shallow root systems that can be easily wrapped in moss without causing damage. This ensures that the plant remains healthy and can adapt to the confined space of the Kokedama. Additionally, consider the growth rate of the plant. Slower growing varieties are ideal for Kokedama, as they require less frequent repotting and maintenance. For those looking to add a pop of color to their Kokedama creation, consider flowering plants such as orchids or African violets. These vibrant blooms not only add visual interest to the moss ball but also introduce a delightful fragrance to the space. It's important to research the specific care requirements of the plant you choose to ensure its long-term health and vitality within the Kokedama environment. Experimenting with different plant varieties allows for a personalized touch to each Kokedama creation, transforming them into unique living artworks that reflect individual style and botanical preferences. Explore creative ways to display and incorporate Kokedama into your home decor. Incorporating Kokedama into your home decor offers a unique way to bring a touch of nature indoors. One creative way to display Kokedama is by arranging a variety of moss balls in a hanging installation. This vertical garden creates a stunning visual effect and adds a dynamic element to any room. Suspended from the ceiling, these clusters of Kokedama can transform unused spaces into green oases, making a striking statement piece that draws the eye and introduces a calming natural aesthetic. Another innovative way to showcase Kokedama in your home decor is by creating a Kokedama centerpiece. By grouping moss balls of varying sizes and plant types together on a decorative tray or dish, you can craft a captivating focal point for dining tables, coffee tables, or mantelpieces. This arrangement not only adds a splash of greenery but also serves as a conversation starter and a delightful accent that infuses your living space with a sense of tranquility and freshness. To further enhance the visual impact of Kokedama in your home decor, consider incorporating these botanical delights into existing displays or shelving units. Placing Kokedama alongside books, candles, or ceramics can create harmonious vignettes that blend natural elements with other decorative items. By integrating moss balls into your decor in this way, you can achieve a seamless fusion of nature and design, infusing your living space with a touch of organic elegance and a breath of fresh air. For those looking to add a touch of whimsy and creativity to their home decor, experimenting with unconventional display ideas for Kokedama can yield charming results. Think outside the box by hanging moss balls in unexpected places, such as in windows, on staircases, or even outdoors for a touch of greenery in unexpected spots. Embracing the versatility of Kokedama allows you to unleash your creativity and explore endless possibilities for incorporating these exquisite botanical creations into your home decor in imaginative and visually captivating ways. Unveil the secrets to maintaining and caring for your beautiful Kokedama moss ball. Maintaining and caring for your Kokedama moss balls is key to ensuring their longevity and continued beauty. One secret to successful Kokedama care is maintaining the right level of moisture. Like any potted plant, Kokedama requires consistent watering to thrive. However, it's essential to strike a balance to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot, or underwatering, which can cause the moss ball to dry out. To maintain optimal moisture levels, it's recommended to gently squeeze the Kokedama once a week to assess if it feels dry or still retains moisture, helping you determine when it's time to water. Another secret to caring for your Kokedama moss ball is providing it with adequate light. While some plant varieties used in Kokedama can tolerate lower light conditions, most will benefit from indirect sunlight to promote healthy growth and maintain vibrant foliage. Placing your moss ball near a window that receives filtered light or in a spot where it can bask in bright, indirect sunlight for a few hours a day can help ensure that your plant remains happy and thriving. To keep your Kokedama looking its best, periodic grooming and maintenance are essential. Remove any yellowing or dead leaves from the plant, trim overgrown foliage to maintain its shape and overall appearance, and gently fluff up the moss covering as needed to keep it looking fresh and tidy. Regularly inspecting your Kokedama for signs of pests or disease can also help you address any issues promptly and keep your plant healthy. Finally, consider the seasonal care needs of your Kokedama moss ball. Some plant varieties may require adjustments in watering frequency, light exposure, or temperature conditions to accommodate seasonal changes. By staying attuned to the needs of your moss ball and making necessary adjustments throughout the year, you can ensure that your Kokedama remains a stunning and thriving piece of living decor in your home. The art of Kokedama, creating Japanese moss balls. To discover more insightful plant care tips and techniques, make sure to explore our other videos on plant care. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates and be part of our growing community dedicated to enhancing your home with nature's beauty. Don't forget to like this video to show your support for the art of Kokedama.